let's cook dinner tonight. So tonight I decided to make hibachi for Valentine's Day because my sister and my nieces came over and I just wanted to show my family some love. I got these chicken strips already pre-cut from Aldi's and I spent about $4 on 2 packs. And then the shrimp that you see here I got from Trader Joe's. I think those were about $5, I believe. And they're already cooked and all I'm doing here is just sauteing them. I did cook steak and I cooked it before I cooked the shrimp, but I totally forgot to record. And I got that from Aldi's. And then this rice here is the jasmine rice that comes in a box. You get 3 of them and it comes out to be a lot. As you see, we still have leftovers. This food was so delicious. There's the plate all together.